Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to boost FPS in Marvel Rivals. All right. First up, go ahead and go to your start menu and right click on it. Then go ahead and go to settings. All right. Now, once you're in here, just go to gaming right here in the left pane. Click on it. Now, first up, go ahead and go to game bar. Make sure that it is turned off. Go back, go to game mode right here and make sure that it is turned on. All right. Once done, go ahead and click on graphics. In here, make sure that optimizations for windowed game is turned on. And in here under advanced graphic settings, make sure that hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on as well. Now, once done, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find Marvel Rivals right here. There you go. Just going to click on it. Then make sure that in the drop down, high performance is selected. All right. Once that's done, open up your Marvel Rival launcher. All right. Could be Steam or Epic Games. Just go ahead and browse the local files. Now you're going to want to find Marvel Rival Launcher, which is right here. Right click on it and go to Properties. Once done, go ahead over to Compatibility tab. Now in here, we're going to want to make sure that Disable Full Screen Optimization is ticked. Hit on Apply. Now go to Change High DPI Settings and make sure that it is ticked as well. And the Scaling Perform is by application. Hit on OK. Hit OK. Now close this one. Right click on the blank space on your screen, then go ahead and go to display settings. All right. Select your main monitor, scroll all the way down until you find advanced display. Click on it. And here under choose a refresh rate, make sure that the highest refresh rate is selected. Okay. Once done, close this one and enjoy Marvel Rivals. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.